All right, everyone. Well, welcome. Right now, we are going to have a recruiting session by Develer, showing a short video. And in it, it will tell you more about the workplace, about the business itself, and about the open positions. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, so hello to everybody and thank you for being here. I am Massimiliano, I work for Develer and I am part of the hiring team. I am here today to tell you something about the company because we are growing, we have a lot of work opportunities and we are looking for new people to join us. Okay, first of all, I would like to spend some words on who we are. Develer is a company of 60 people and we are based in Italy, near Florence. We are focused on hardware design and software development. Basically, we help other companies to deliver hardware and software products tailored for their needs. We usually work with companies that operate in many industrial fields. For example, healthcare, professional appliances, railways, consumer devices, and more. Specifically, the things we do are design of electronic boards, BSP and firmware development, graphical user interfaces for industrial machines, web applications for data acquisition, processing and reporting. We take care of the technological issues so our clients can focus on their business domain. We work with medium to big companies in Italy and abroad. Since the company was founded, we've been involved with several open source communities and initiatives. We contribute to the Go, Python and Rust movement in Italy and abroad. We sponsor meetups and conferences, and we also organize events like this one to bring together developers and people passionate about coding. As you might guess, we work with a lot of technologies and languages. We use C, C++ and Qt when we need to create firmware and graphical user interfaces for embedded devices. We use Python and Go for backend systems, usually for desktop, embedded and web applications. We also create web applications, of course, with a modern web stack. And we have a spot on canary technologies. So now we're experimenting with Rust and WebAssembly. It's good to know that these are the main technologies that we use in Develer, but of course, nobody is required to know all of them. We work in teams and every team is responsible of delivering an application to one of our clients. So generally, the team members choose what languages and frameworks will be used in the project they are working on. One of the most interesting consequences of working with different customers is that there are a lot of opportunities for trying new technologies or simply deepen the knowledge in some of them. Another thing that's worth mentioning is how we approach to work. We put people first because we believe that a happy developer is also a more effective developer. This means that we have flexible office hours. We can stay in office or remote. Okay, these times we are fully remote. We have an informal environment of work. We also invest a lot of effort into personal growth. We have individual and dedicated budget for learning in terms of time and money. Every year we discuss with people about what their professional goals are and how we can help to reach them. We also used to have, well, a vibrant office life full of events throughout the year, open to families and friends. Today we are trying to move all these things online, but it's very hard, so we are hoping to get back to all the events and things we used to organize inside the office. Basically, we are committed to build one of the best office environments around, in person or remote. We have several open positions. You can check them all on our website, and now we don't have the time to discuss all of them in details. In short, we are looking for developers who are familiar with C, C++, Go, and Rust for embedded development. That is, software that goes on electronic devices. We also build web applications that interact with industrial machines, so we are also looking for web developers. We are considering remote applications, and for now, we require a basic knowledge of the Italian language. That's because even though we have clients outside Italy and we require at least a C1 level of proficiency in English for all employees, Italian is still the main language used in day-by-day communications and documents. I don't know if this is going to change in the future, but I can say that we are working to create a friendly environment for non-Italian speakers. For now, a basic knowledge of Italian is still required. So I've come to the end. I will drop here some references to get in touch with the hiring team. If you are interested in one of our open positions or you are just curious to know more about us and the hiring stages, you can schedule an appointment with me or with one person of the team using the link in the slide. You can just send us an email. We're happy to answer all your questions or just have a chat. Don't worry if you missed the link or the code, because they will be sent over an email from the organizers in the next few days. You can talk to us even after the conference ends, of course. So thank you for the time spent here with me. Enjoy today's sessions, engage in meaningful conversations, and stay safe. Goodbye.
Great, and thank you, Massimiliano, for that. So, everyone, our last event of the day is actually the Ask Me Anything session, starting in about 40 minutes, 4:30 Italian time. And so there you can ask any questions to the actual Go team. We have a little questionnaire that we've been sending throughout the sessions during this GoLab week. But if there are any that you don't see there, or if there are some questions that you would really, really like to have answered, you can vote on the ones there as well. So we hope to see you there. Thank you so much for your time.